Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well, and happy new year. I hope that you guys' year is off to a great start. I have a new wig featuring ILIKEHAIR, and I will leave all the information, details, and links in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. So pretty much this is everything that I received with my wig. I pretty much got a bag full of goodies, and this is the wig right here. This is their brand new 13 by 4 inch kinky edge high definition lace frontal ventilated wig, and this is what it looks like. It does have those natural kinky edges that's made to imitate our natural hairline, making the wig look super realistic as if we grew it ourselves. Now this wig is in the kinky straight body wave texture. This wig also has the 13 by 4 inch high definition lace that pretty much blends in with all skin tones, and you also have the option to use the removable adjustable strap, pretty much making this wig 100% glueless, which I will not be using any adhesives or anything like that. My wig is also 180% density. Let's go ahead and get into the wig. Now first and foremost, I will be bleaching my knots. I like to do this just to pretty much amplify the overall look of the wig, making it look super realistic. So I'm using my BW2 bleaching powder and my 30 volume developer. I allow the bleaching mixture to sit on the knots for about 25 to 30 minutes or so. You do want to keep an eye on it because you don't want to over process your knots. Now if you're interested in this wig or anything that you see on ILIKEHAIR, be sure to use my discount code, which is TG25, to save 25% off of your purchases. Also do keep in mind that ILIKEHAIR accepts Klarna, so pretty much you can make 4 interest-free payments over time, so you don't have to splurge too much all at once. You can definitely break them up into 4 interest-free payments. And also do keep in mind that ILIKEHAIR guarantees that what you see is what you get. So whether it's being sent to an influencer like myself for review purposes or being sold to a customer, rest assured that the quality meets their unified standard. So you will be getting exactly what I have. You don't have to worry about the YouTubers getting the better wig, so do keep that in mind. I'm going to continue to shampoo and condition my wig, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I actually prefer to style my wigs on wet hair. It just makes everything go a lot more smoother. There are the kinky edges looking natural as ever, and they're still intact. So overall I decided to wear this wig in a side part. So I'm going to make like a deep curved side part, and now I'm going to go ahead and smooth everything down. Now this wig is in the body wave texture, but since I did wash the hair, I did lose a lot of that texture, so I will be using my big barrel curling iron to restyle up this wig once the hair is dry. But for right now, I'm going to go in with this heat protectant, and I'm going to apply it all over the hair because we're going to blow dry this hair. I just couldn't wait to allow it to air dry overnight. I really wanted to see this wig come together. So now that the hair is completely dry, I'm going in with my hot comb just to get rid of any creases or anything like that. And I'm purposely avoiding the kinky edges because you will lose the original texture, so don't touch those. But you can use a little bit of mousse in order to properly adjust and direct the edges to your liking. But now I'm going in with my 1.5 inch big barrel curling iron, and I'm going to do some big curls. You can also use some some flexi rods or even like a wand curl in order to really make this wig look natural. But I kind of wanted some big curls just to kind of have like that classic, you know, business girl look. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And just in case you guys are interested in the products that I'm using throughout this video, I will be sure to leave a link to everything you see me using within this video, so just be sure to check the info section below. So if you happen to notice some sparse areas along your edges, definitely go on with a little bit of foaming mousse in order to properly adjust and direct your edges. Now, once again, don't go in with like your hot comb because you will lose the original texture, but instead use an edge brush, a little bit of mousse just to redirect those to make them look a lot more natural and to have your edges look a lot more fuller. Before I put this wig on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my liquid foundation in a shade that's one shade darker than my skin tone, and I'm going to apply it all over the lace. Now, once again, this lace is high definition, so it will blend in with all skin tones, but this is just going to reassure me that we're not going to have any lightness going on. I'm also going to apply the removable adjustable strap just because I won't be using any adhesives or anything like that. So pretty much this is going to assure me that my wig is going to lay properly and won't come off. So pretty much I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on, and you guys notice how natural the edges look. Dare I say that these edges look better than mine. My edges are a little pushed back, and I do have a little bit of edge control along my hairline. So this wig is definitely giving a more of a natural appearance than my own kinky edges. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lace. Y'all, can we have a moment for this hair? Because y'all, when I tell you this body wave is definitely giving body yachty, and it's so soft, the luster, everything about it, I'm just here for it. Once again, it's super soft, very minimal shedding, and I didn't use any adhesives, and I'm proud of myself because this is definitely the wig that you can take off at the end of the night. This is definitely the go-to protective style. But once again, get into the kinky edges. It looks super realistic, and you can go in with a little bit more mousse if you want to really maintain the edges, but I like it the way that it is. You guys, get into the body of this wig. Super flowy, super bouncy, and I love the luster. I'm just here for it. It's giving big girl business all 2023. But once again, you guys do check out ILIKEHAIR, and I'll leave all the information in the info section below. Definitely take advantage of my discount code to save 25% off of your purchase. So use discount code TG25 to save some cash. ILIKEHAIR also accept Klarna, so you do have 4 interest-free payments. So yeah, once again, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.